Hi, today I'm going to show you one of the new products from Delonghi. It's called the La Specialista espresso machine. So this is a new machine. It's meant for home, and it allows you to create very tasty espressos and as well as your milk-based beverages at home. Unlike conventional semi-auto espresso machines that requires a space for the main body espresso machine itself, it also requires a space for coffee grinders, right? But for this, they have put it up into one machine with an inbuilt grinding, so they help to save space and as well as create more convenience for you as well with some of the technologies that you can see on the screen itself. So maybe you can take a look at what's happening on the front of the screen. It allows you to choose the amount of grounds of coffee that you need over here, and it allows you this button here actually allows you to set between some of the recipes that you have put into the system, so that it actually follows the recipe every time you brew the coffee. And lastly, you can also switch between espresso, americano, or a big black cup of coffee. All right, so it actually sets the amount of water that is needed to actually brew your coffee. So to start, we're going to take a look at the smart tamping station, right? With this, it actually allows you to just dose the coffee without actually making a mess in your kitchen. So once you locked it in, it will actually automatically grind the coffee. And what you see on the hopper here, it actually holds about 250 grams of coffee beans in there. All right, just nice. It's about the size of the coffees that you usually buy from your favorite coffee roasters. Okay, so once you're done with the grinding, all right, you don't need to pull the portafilter out. In fact, you can use a smart tamping system to actually temp your coffee. So with one pull, you actually will temp your coffee properly, and it also prevents a mess in your kitchen. So you can pull out and actually insert right back into the portafilter, or into the preset button that I've already done, or you need to press OK. It actually tells the machine to start brewing your espresso. Very good. Right, with the espresso done, you can leave it aside while we prepare the milk to incorporate together with your coffee. Right. So over here, I have one portion of milk that's meant for a cup of coffee serving. Like how we would introduce with most, semi-auto habits is to actually purge the wand before you use them, so they can build up the temperature as well to release some of the condensation that's caught between the wands. Right. So for this function, it allows you to set between a flat and a foam to get more air into your milk. Right. So we can use this for our milk-based coffee. You can leave it in the wand there. Then we could introduce the wand, and you just create frothy milk for your espresso coffee. So to reach the desirable temperature that you want for your milk, you can turn off. And it's a good habit to clean your steam wand and put it to purge. Once you've done so, you can turn it off, and you could introduce your foam or your milk together with your espresso. create a nice velvety smooth cappuccino. And here you go, a cup of coffee from the La Specialista.